Alright, so this is the frame. I'm going to put the whole frame in a different directions. So let's draw the shipping line here. I'm going to draw the big ship. So this is going to be a wonderful painting. Let's draw the ship in this canvas. Alright, so when we draw the shape or paint the shape, the first thing comes to our mind is the Titanic. It was a very nice movie and tragic scene just showed us the history of the past. Okay, so you can see the ship is going to be very higher. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right. Mm-hmm. Okay, we're going to put the more colors here. These are the windows of the ships. Okay, and few radars you can see for the modern day. Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, so the drawing of the ship is getting nice. All right, just putting different lines. You can see the rope formations. Mm-hmm. Okay, so in these reflections on the water you can see lots of drawings out there. Mm-hmm. Now for the sun, we're going to put the color orange. So the sun is setting in the horizon. So let's put the sun here, and you can see the reflections around it because the evening sky and the sun reflections on the water too as it's coming near at us. Mm-hmm. And we can also put some white color to show the wave patterns. Okay, I always try to make the simple as possible, so the drawing may be simple, easy, and the drawing looks good. The more complex items usually doesn't make it looking good. So you can see the water level I'm just putting here. Mm-hmm. All right, so That's the different types of water label. Mhm. Putting little bit more white and just putting the strokes of the brush strokes here. Okay, all right. So the wave formations on the water is just defined by the white lines I'm putting right now. This is the wave formations on the water. Okay. For the boat, we're going to put the other types of colors. Maybe the light green is okay. Okay, let's put the light green color for the body of the boat here. All right, so the bottom portion is finished. Now we're moving for the top portion. It also has a greenish shade on the top. All right. The final step is we're going to put some dots in the sky, so we can show that there are lots of stars. So few dots we're going to put like this to show the night sky with lots of stars. Okay, and also to emphasize the sun here, let's put little bit white borders around it to give it a special view. All right, the board is getting brighter. Okay, so this is a large sailing boat in the sky, sorry, in the ocean. All right, I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.